Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I share with you amazing information, how to use eSIM. Traveling abroad but scared of crazy roaming charges? What if I told you there's a cheaper, easier way to stay connected? Enter eSIMs. Let's break down how they work and why they're a game changer. What is an eSIM? An eSIM is a digital SIM card, no physical swapping needed. Just scan a QR code, and boom, you've got data in seconds. It works in over 190 countries, and you can even switch plans without changing SIMs. Why use an eSIM for travel? Here's why travelers love eSIMs. 1. No more hunting for SIM shops at airports. 2. Cheaper than roaming SIM plans, cost less than $5 a day. 3. Multiple plans on one phone. Switch between work and travel data easily. 4. Instant activation, no waiting in lines. Best eSIM providers compared. Top eSIM providers in 2024. Airlines best for budget travelers, local and regional plans. Holofly unlimited data in 50+ countries. Nomad, great for long-term travelers. Pro tip, use code TRAVEL10 for a discount. Common mistakes to avoid before you buy. Remember, don't forget to check phone compatibility. iPhone X Plus, Pixel 3 Plus. Avoid buying last minute. Some eSIMs need Wi-Fi to activate. Always compare prices. Some countries have cheaper local plans. How to set up an eSIM setup is super easy. Number 1. Buy an eSIM online. Number 2. Scan the QR code in your phone settings. Number 3. Turn on data roaming and you're done. eSIMs equals less stress, more travel. Which eSIM are you trying? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks. See you in the next video.